In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort months in order in Power BI. If you've ever built a chart and seen your months line up alphabetically, April before February, you know how frustrating that can be. The fix is simple. We'll create a proper month name and a matching month number. Then tell Power BI to sort the names by the numbers so your visuals display January through December in true calendar order. Start by opening Power BI desktop on your computer and open one of your existing reports. From the Home ribbon, select Transform Data to open the Power Query Editor. In the Queries pane, locate your original date column. Make sure this column is actually typed as a date. If it's not, you can change the data type in Power Query first so the next steps work as expected. With the date column selected, go to the Add Column tab at the top, click the Date button, choose Month, and then choose Name of Month. Power Query will add a new column that shows the month name as text, January, February, and so on, based on each date in your data. Next, select the original date column again. Still on the Add Column tab, click Date, choose Month, and then select Month. This creates a numeric month column, typically 1 through 12. If you like, you can rename it to something clear like Month No, so it's easy to identify later. These two columns work together. The text month is what you want to display, and the number is what you'll sort by. When you're done, go to Home in Power Query and choose Close and Apply to bring these new columns back into your data model. Now switch to the Data view, sometimes called the Table view. Click your new month name column to select it. On the ribbon, choose Sort by Column and pick Month Num. This tells Power BI to use the numeric month behind the scenes to order the month names correctly. Finally, head back to Report View and look at your visuals. Any chart using the month name field should now automatically rearrange to January, February, March, and so on instead of alphabetical order. If you don't see the change, make sure your visuals axis is using the month name column and not a different field, and confirm that both the month name and month number are coming from the same table. That's it. Clean, reliable month sorting with just a couple of additions in Power Query. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.